Welcome to your new Xcode Life dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your genetic reports and raw data. From the main screen, you can quickly view your active orders, available reports, pending uploads, and update your account details. The Recent Activities section keeps you updated on the latest order and report status changes, allowing you to see at a glance whether a report is in progress or ready for download. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find all your essential tools. Let's start by looking at orders. You can see at a glance which reports are currently being processed and which ones are ready for review. If you click on an order that's still in progress, you'll see the full details, including the specific items in the order, your uploaded samples, and a real-time order updates log. This keeps you informed on every step of the process, from payment to report generation. Next, let's head over to the My Reports tab. This is where you'll go once your analysis is complete. But before we download anything, let's check out My Data. This section is incredibly useful. It stores all your uploaded raw data files and provides a detailed activity history, so you can track exactly when files were uploaded or when a report was made available. Need to add more information? You can easily upload new raw data files here. You'll also see which files are currently linked to an order and which ones are available for download or deletion. You can also use this option to delete your raw DNA file permanently from our servers. Finally, when your status changes to Reports Ready, simply click My Reports. From here, you can instantly download your personalized PDF results. Explore your DNA insights with ease on the new Xcode Life dashboard. If you have any questions, our support team is just a click away.